Step beyond conventional medical imaging. With SCYLLA, explore volumetric data in immersive 3D. Freely move, rotate, and scale anatomy with intuitive precision. Visualize anatomy your way. With intelligent presets, seamlessly transition between bone, soft tissue, and more, revealing the structures that matter. AI-powered segmentation, isolating anatomy with precision. Plan before entering the operating room. Design patient-specific baffles in SCYLLA, with the option to export the same baffle as an STL for further evaluation and planning. Go beyond the surface and explore anatomy from within. With SCYLLA's slicer, create precise cuts from virtually any direction to reveal underlying anatomical structures. Apply multiple slices to progressively refine your view and focus on the region that matters. And with the flexibility to undo your last slice, exploration remains intuitive, controlled, and completely in your hands. Look beyond the surface. Hollow mode removes the blood volume, revealing internal structures with greater clarity. Fine-tune brightness and contrast for enhanced anatomical visualization. Explore anatomy layer by layer. Dynamically adjust visible information to reveal deeper structures and focus on what matters most. Measure anatomy with precision. Use point-to-point measurements for direct distances or curved measurements to accurately trace complex anatomical pathways. View the original CT or MRI slices directly within the VR environment.